Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne. Today's video is going to be on this look right here. Very simple, very easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see how I got it, just keep on watching. So I'm gonna prime my skin first, and this is the Gold Collagen Luxury Base. This is from the Face Shop. Reminds me a lot of the Guerlain primer that I have. It has the same texture and the same gold particles in there, so I hope it performs the same. So I'm really excited about this. I already applied my skincare this morning, so I'm very well prepped. This feels so lightweight, but it's very moisturizing. It feels like a serum, to be honest. We'll see if it gets tacky or anything. I do like it on my face. It is getting tacky a bit, so which I do like actually. If it's tacky, that means your foundation is going to be sticking to your face and it's not gonna go anywhere. This one here, I haven't used on camera. This is the Hollywood Flawless Filter. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. And this is a kind of glowy base. And the color is number 3. It has a doe foot applicator. I don't think I used it on camera. I did use it once. It's really, really pretty. I think I got it in the summertime, so it's probably a little bit dark on me today, but that's okay. And I'm going to be using my foundation brush, and I'm just gonna blend it. You can apply it all over your face actually, but I'm just gonna apply it where I want it to be very glowy and healthy looking. I picked up this new concealer from Dior. This is called Forever Skin Corrector, and this is in the shade number 1, Cool Rosy. So you can use it as a corrector or you can use it as a concealer, and I'm just going to use it as a concealer. I'm using this Nude Stix bronzer today in the shade Sunkissed, and this is really a pretty one. I use it on my eyes, I can use it on my face or my lips. Whatever you want to do with it. You can contour the eyes with it as well. It works really nicely. It blends so easy as well. It doesn't dry so fast, so you're good. I'm going to be blending the concealer first. Just gonna give it a little bit of a spray from the Smashbox primer water. This concealer is blending so nicely. It's actually my first time using it. It's really, really nice. Now, before I blend my bronzer, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my foundation, and today's foundation is going to be the Double Wear Nude Water Fresh base, and this is in the shade, I believe, Tawny. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take a pump of this. It's very thin. And I think it's a little bit dark on my skin, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a little bit of this concealer and just kind of mix it in with it. Just a tiny bit, not too much. Just like so. But I'm not going to apply the whole thing on my face. Okay. Yeah, so this bronzer blends so nicely on the skin. Like, it doesn't set quick. I'm just gonna blend everything with a beauty blender so it looks nice and blended and no harsh lines. We are good, so I'm going to set my foundation, and I'm using this Anastasia. I've been loving this powder so much lately. I did not used to love it at the beginning when I got it. It was just a normal, powder. It makes my under eye so flawless. I love it so much, and this is in the shade Translucent. like my under eyes to be so dry. I'm going to take this sun-kissed bronzer again, and I'm just going to contour my eyelids, and I'm just going to take it on a brush like so. This is Japanese number 835, and I'm just going to contour my eyelids. I'm going to do the same thing here. And I'm just going to set my lids with my Anastasia powder. And I'm going to go to sun-kissed again. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this and sweep it under my eyes. My highlight today, I'm going to be using this Marc Jacobs, and this is called Worth the Wait highlighter. It's a really pretty one. It's very intense. Okay, I'm going to use a cream blush. This is from Tootaced, and this is called Peach My Cheeks, and this is a very, very pretty shade. It's really, really pretty. I'm going to be using my foundation brush. It's really a pretty shade. Probably it's not like for everyone, but I do love cream blushes. They stay on so nicely. And this one here, it just stays on all day. I'm gonna go back to the Marc Jacobs highlight, and I'm just gonna take a small brush, and I'm going to take it a little bit in the inner corner of my eyes. From Laura Mercier, this is a loose highlight, and this is in the shade Candlelight. It's really, really pretty. I really like to use this one. I can use it on my cheekbones and everything, but I do love how subtle it is, and it doesn't have glitter or chunks of glitter. I do like to apply it on the center of my face if I don't want to look so highlighted. This will add just a little bit of a sheen to it. It's really, really nice. It gives you the most beautiful glowy complexion, especially if you have dry skin in the winter time. You want a little bit of glow. This will give it to you. Look at my chin. It doesn't look greasy, or it doesn't look very metallic looking from highlights, but it just gives you a subtle glow when you move your face, and on my forehead as well. I'm going to use Fenty Beauty. This is the Fly Liner, and I'm going to do a wing. This dries so fast, so you need to be working really, really fast with it. I'm going to go with Kiss 11. I'm just going to apply a brow gel, and this is from Anastasia. And I am just going to brush my hair up. Okay, so it's lash time. I'm going to apply them. I always look down when I do this. So I'm going to use this lip liner from Makeup Forever, and this is in the shade Whatever Walnut. It's really a pretty color. It's very like nude, but more on the pinky side. I'm going to apply this sun-kissed bronzer from Nude stick, and I'm just going to dab it on my lips. Just like that. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's very simple, very easy, but this is what I do when I don't want to do a lot of eyeshadows. I just throw a liner, lashes, and I am complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next one.